one, Abi?
This particular remix, the remix sweet, because the original song sweet, but the 2016 model, they put inside, it can be like full option.
Vector inside the whole thing.
And TM.
But really, Shadewala, you know great old though.
No, you know old.
No.
And you still get fine face.
Yeah, very. That's how I'll be when I grow.
And you know that year, now him be the flavor that year.
That year.
People they always die. Hey, women.
Oh, really?
Women.
Wow.
They always want to kill themselves on top of your head.
How many born?
Quite a monstrous.
Wow.
It's quite a
all these musicians, they were not the born. No, they donate for economy. They donate.
Now, so this one too, now Baby Joe with Two-Face.
Yes.
And Victor Olaya.
Yes.
The song Sweet Die.
The
new one.
That one. I see the sun in your eye. I see the
Sweet Die.
Beautiful.
Welcome to PADI today, Monday. My own temperature is something like a low. I am very sleepy. I'm not even going to lie or deny it. So I feel I can. Wow. Just welcome.
So all of you are welcome. She's on a low P. Me this morning, I decision myself to be on a high P. You understand? Because any which way it is, the life continue, and the way you make the life is the way you see it.
Absolutely.
Why I say?
It be like I want to continue the
sentence.
Like
say we'll continue. All right, so now welcome. Also, everybody, weekend day very okay. Very, very rainy weekend. But it calm the body, calm the body.
And still, we still want beg Lagos State to take God name beg. Make una do drainage. Some people still swim this past weekend.
Yeah,
in fact, it destroyed some areas of Akonwojo. News carry and say it destroy houses, no be small.
Wow.
It destroy houses. So we take God name beg you. And of course, Lekki side, Ajah side. That side too, there's quite a damage risk of water because of the rain. So please, we take God name beg you. You need to do something about drainage system.
Please.
Help us.
Break. More go now.
I won't get cold.
You?
Why? Been sneezing a lot.
And I get gist for sneezing.
I've been sneezing a lot for the past 2 days. Chung up and down. Have you just sneezed?
Please. I no carry handkerchief for you do prayer. Just
then you just fall out.
Butter for here now. Please be careful.
I don't know. Today it be like a fat. I've been at the cloth.
Today, not the cloth. They say deceptive way like clothing they give you.
It be like I add weight.
Exactly.
Even me, I can't dey shock for myself.
But they good. Once in a while, that feeling make it just come.
Make it just be like say I add weight.
Okay. I get the weight feeling.
All right, so now I want to give us yan the yan. Abi, we have to beg you.
Yan the yan, yan the yan.
Give us yan the yan, John.
Yan the yan.
Okay.
Ask her.
Back to the matter. All right, you know, when they talk, say people get good hearts to do good things, it always sweets me because you need to reach out to as many people as you can. People need help. Yeah, people need help in this life. Yeah. So if you know how to reach out to people, there's something wrong with you, honestly, because everybody gets onto where if he helps somebody with. That is the truth. Irrespective of how you are, who you are, what you earn, where you are, or whatever, there's always something where you feel help somebody with.
Yes!
Do you understand? That is the thing. So now this particular guy, who then they call Benny, people nickname him Benjamin Franklin. You know who Benjamin Franklin?
Yes.
Who Benjamin Franklin?
Somebody like that.
Benjamin Franklin at the face of that person where they do on top $100 bill.
Yes. No be na Benjamin Benji.
Benji, na your guy, abi?
Benji.
Na your guy.
Not my guy, but Sabian.
Okay.
Benjamin Franklin, bad guy.
All right, so this particular guy, people nickname him Benny. Now, Benny was named after Benjamin Franklin. That's not the guy where in face they on top $100 bill, US dollar, that $100 bill. The face where they they call Benjamin Franklin. This particular guy na philanthropist, and everybody knows a philanthropist has to tell me na people where they help.
They give things.
They give
their hand they open well.
Yes. You know the good thing where this guy do? People just notice, say, if they go maybe supermarkets or then go malls or then go places like that, some kind of hidden places, they go just see $100 bill.
Wow.
So the guy, they hide them for those places, and somehow, it always falls in the hands of people that need it. So if people don't try to find out who be this guy, some people even come out and say, I recognize this signature. Now my guy, but I no go tell you now who he be because he no one more than know. It's about helping people. It's not about him. This guy don't spend close to $50,500 US.
Wow.
And they even talk say it can be more. That's not just estimated price.
And the one that people when they see,
yes.
the future.
Yes.
True,
so for different places, different areas, for close about 26 different places for different areas, the guys will just they hide $100 bills. $100 bills now are like 34,000 or like 35,000 or so in Nigerian money.
But the guy, and a good thing
to help people.
It's a philanthropic move.
Yes, and somehow now people when need that money, they always see them.
But who don't need the money?
People will really need that.
Well, these days, everybody really need everything. The guy go to see 2K now, where they hide for corrupt. You need them at this point to buy a recharge card to do something. Even if not fuel, to just top up the fuel with it. You understand? So any which way, everybody's in need of something. Anyhow it is, yeah. But nice one on that guy part.
Yeah.
Philanthropic move.
Yeah. Quite philanthropist. It just be like for our community now, make somebody just the highlight 1K. I beg,
please, can people do that thing? Say we know they see money peak for this country again. Now before when we small, when they small, they'll say use the bomb or they take the threaten you. Say if you see money and you go just see money, some folks will say, okay, oh, if now here I disappear, fine.
Just pick up.
We'll pick up with one mind. Say, hey, you can open your eyes, you see the area.
As you talk, if now here I disappear, fine. You just be like Bovi. As you talk, I'm now, you be like Bovi.
Oh my God,
you be like Bovi.
But really, Sha, but these people don't see money peak again. Before you just see money for grant, but why? Why? Can people drop money?
People are extremely careful these days.
No, people lose money. Throw your money away. Let the money just be dumping on the road. We'll pick it for you. Please, at least.
Even before, if you go buy clothes, that year for Aswani, if you go buy bail, first grade, sometimes you go open inside the pocket, you go see gold ring. Sometimes you go even see chain, you go see money, you go see $20. Sometimes you go see like £10. Sometimes you go even see up to £50 inside. But these days, if you like,
even with
the trouser,
see me like me, I like to do wash clothes. I like to do wash clothes. Now one of my things that I like to do. That year when we small, if they give you clothes, uncle, mommy, you check pocket, you go see money. But these days, nobody
they go give you with the pocket open.
Yeah, pocket open. I be saying, don't even try it. Please, lose money by mistake or be philanthropic by mistake. Thank you. My lips, they break.
How unprofessional.
What you don't do with professional for these things?
I sit down well.
I beg. Based on sneezing. Now my own gist. Based on sneezing. I wasn't done that my bumble. Now.
Oh, Lord.
People get different sickness, different things when they worry them. You understand? My brother and my sister, listen to me. If you don't have a particular ailment, let me say, if one thing not they worry you for your health, be very grateful. Be very grateful. One of the things people got to sit down, they thank God for and I say, God, thank you for my health. Me personally, I'm a testimony upon it. Because before, me in hospital, they get my card now. Card be full.
You always go.
I always go hospital. Card they always full. Next thing they say, your card don't full, new card. But for the past 6-7 years now, I never enter a hospital. So I thank you, Baba. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. From the heart of my heart, thank you, Lord. This babe now, sneezing. My sneezing now.
You get so like
my own head, like my own inside.
Inside.
My own inside.
You come close.
I always fear make my brain no burst one day come off from my ear.
Sometimes you go dry, go give you a headache. Stress headache like this.
You understand? Because but this girl, her own gist now, since they say the girl now they sneeze at least 8,000 times per day. 8,000 times per day. They say the longest way she don't go without sneezing now 25 minutes.
Oh no.
But they say sometimes you just come, they come. Every 10 to 15 seconds she sneeze. They say they don't try everything. See her now, before they see this picture take self. They get
out to wait.
As she just sneeze one finish, they say, oh yeah, pause. But they say since she's small, they worry and
maybe
they come.
Maybe she's allergic to something.
They say they don't try everything. Doctors don't try to find out what is the problem. They say they don't try different things. They say the only time when she know they sneeze, now when she sleep. That's when they don't try every means. Doctors don't choke her, they'll choke her, you choke everything. They say right now, she always stay inside house. They film make her
she don't go fit talk. She don't go fit do anything.
The mama thinks people think that they get in their affect. But now she will be the mama. They think they worry past because she think of the future of her pikin. You understand? Because with this thing now, she don't go fit go school. She don't go fit do some kind of things. You know. And but well, they see they choke eye for the whole matter. So maybe you are watching the show right now and you are a sneezist. And don't worry. They're still looking for solution to the problem, and don't worry, somehow. But if you know, so you get like agbo, Jedi, one kind of agbo way they walk. Please let them know. and can help.
What can be the cause?
They still find it. They still
Can it be allergy or?
They don't check allergy matter. They don't do everything. They don't do. Doctors don't scratch head now. Say,
as the doctor will be like, what is it?
They say maybe now one thing they send wrong signal to her brain. So the brain they touch, so maybe 2 wire.
Okay.
Don't they do mistake?
Anytime when you touch, you go sneeze.
So maybe you just there apart more 25 minutes. The girl no go sneeze.
Maybe just ask her, are you okay? Yes, when she do like this, you go just touch again.
You understand? So you understand? So somehow, they are still looking for the solution to the problem. All right? So, well, based on this one, we'll go break right now. Let's go and drink a water with juice. Then we'll come back and continue with the whole thing.
It's not really easy to be talking. So
please.
when we talk...
Producer, make sure they give us juice. So
you have to be giving us juice.
They give us juice.
Can't tell me if I need juice.
Hey, don't...
Why they look me? Say whether my mates they do that thing.
I talk anything.
Because I know your mind.
No, I'm not talking. See, you see,
your mind.
See, guilty conscience. You see this life, women. You see this life now. What did I say? Did I say anything?
The way you tell look me, look
I don't look you. I see your wedges. Not the wedges they call them.
Yes.
Now look at your wedges, and they are beautiful.
This look where you just give me now. See your mate. See your mate.
Yeah,
you just get sense. See your mate now. This look where you just give me now.
Use your own hand to judge yourself. You are the judge of your matter.
Because I know you.
And you are the sentencer. That is what is happening right now. You have just judged yourself by yourself. Eh?
You get one look where I go look you go know what I think.
Oh, yeah, forget me. I go remix the look.
Oh?
You get your look me. I say, my please, you're married. Don't look at me like that.
All right, okay, back to Yan. This matter and the thing, it always baffles me because I used to wonder what is wrong with women nowadays in this world. What happens? Some people just used to act as if they have tetanus growing inside their brain. For God's sake, what is your problem? Why do you want to die? Why do you want to kill yourself? It's very funny. How you are going to go and rent somebody's child? You not be using it, be begging the road.
It happen.
They don't catch 2 women now. And they don't catch them for now on Igbo side. Do you know, if you come know the funny thing, they rent those children for as little as 1,000, 1,500 naira.
They rent the children?
Only, for God's sake, between the hours of 5 o'clock in the evening and 7 o'clock. What is your problem?
5 and 7?
Yes.
In the evening?
Yes, 1,000 to 1,500. At most, on 1 June, 1,500. That means if it even be 500 if you negotiate well.
Well, for increase the money.
And the pikin never even reach 1 month.
That's why some only sleep for road. Because nobody are picking. And now twins. Why? Most of the wives say they always twins.
See the 2 women where they catch. Now they arrest them. They say one of them are Hadiza Nosiru and Salamatu Salitu. The 2 of them. I know say this thing plenty for not.
Well.
Hey, plenty. Plenty. Don't worry.
That means for Lagos now we just see.
Now Lagos then they.
Yes.
But now then they do and pass.
Okay.
In fact, even survey where they according to news where carry come out, so even talk them. Say now then they do and pass. Now the woman will give them picking. Her name na Tawa Aregbesola from Ibadan.
Tawa.
Tawa. You understand? Then the second person will give them the other child. Because now 2 women and 2 different children.
Okay.
The other one will give them, she be mother of 4. She says she don't know what they carry her picking do. She just knows she can't carry the picking.
Quiet you.
I'm like, are you well?
Really?
Your child will never reach 1 month. You don't know what they carry.
You don't know what they carry do, madam. I bet face prison. What's wrong with you?
Come on. Parade for Lausa. So the Youth and Social Development Commissioner, that one, Mrs. Uzamat Akimbile Yusuf. I hope I called it right. Akimbile Yusuf. She talks said then they try to intensify efforts so that they will stop street begging. But that this thing they very, very rampant and they very common. And they don't carry on common, most of them are northerners. And the people where they give these children are main and Lagosians and southerners as well. I mean, why?
Anyway, it's a very, very sad case. But picking way, if you enjoy, you can't born. You know, after.
So some they born them for this purpose?
You don't turn to business now. You understand? You don't enter business now. It's okay. Once you just drop the picking, madam, bring it.
You know the one where they invest me?
You know, situations.
You know the one where they invest me? Now those madams them, they go recruit young girls. They'll come one guy go come they sleep with all of them.
No, that one day.
Make it for born. When they born, they come they sell the picking the people.
No, that one day.
For God's sake, they actually have a baby making factory.
People
what the hell is wrong with people?
Anyway, more live on there before we are turned to before that one goes scatter everybody. You know, emotional states right now. Okay. But well, may I come out on top everything we concern Yan the Yan. All right, so we'll go for Love the Love.
Before I lose my hair here
before
now.
we come and lose ourselves.
What happened? I don't compose since. They just make me just high tempo. No, please. Turn down to press up, Oshe.
Now you won't carry last. At all. Hey, okay, just 52. We never to go. We never to go further that.
No, but anyway, in between all of these things, don't forget, say if you follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI at Wazobia PADI at Wazobia PADI. If you follow us on top Facebook and YouTube. YouTube, you go see all the episodes where you don't miss. All right, just go youtube.com/Wazobia TV NG, search for PADI, and we did there for you. Facebook.com/Wazobia PADI, search for /Wazobia TV, search for PADI. We did the thing. I don't too master, I don't they confuse me now. So, but if you think that maybe we'll watch your followership on the individual P, you get it. You can just go on Instagram at Mayowa Ekbo, at Ogbolo on Instagram, at Mayowa Lambe, at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter. And then we also there for inside Instagram for the full station at Wazobia TV NG.
For the full station?
I don't really know what to say again, because normally when I say this thing, it means
we don't finish. But congratulations to our guy, Gbenga. He's architect for our office.
Oh, yes.
Sunday,
yes.
Gbenga do wedding, and now Gbenga, you are married to somebody. If you see Gbenga dance for Saturday.
I wish we had the video clips.
Oh, no. If you see Gbenga, he sits the babe down. If you see moves. Look on the catch everybody say, what would the man come? Me not very do. Mama, come on.
You just look, the person who don't marry, go just look your husband. You never dance for me like that.
You never dance for me like that.
But
really, shall we women?
You talk small, many people do that.
But you say, women, they do not truth sometimes. Right. Because everything now want.
What's wrong with what's everything?
You cannot have it.
Why can't we have everything?
You understand? Because sometimes, the whole day, men go, they try. Okay, make a knock on the sound like broken record. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, my word.
We hope say we don't get better show today. Hope say we enjoy the show today.
He's confused
and please have a beautiful day. Make it just go outside there, love yourself, and just keep doing good. And everything goes smooth and dandy.
Oh,
and,
yes. And please, we beg in the name of God. Don't thief people's babies to beg. I don't know why this matter is really touching.
And you said, no, give your own. Some people, they give by themselves. Some people, they say, Mayowa, I get picking. Go beg now. Take.
Make I produce the picking, you go do the begging. For God's sake, there are other ways of making money.
Yeah.
Don't ruin it with life where God put for your hand, make you take care of.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, you've heard that. Take it and please go ahead with it. What's it more? Bye, yo. Bye, yo.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.